Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Tailored Expressions. Today we have an earring kit. This is a new kind of kit for Tailored Expressions, and I've made several pairs. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The kit includes 3 dies you make the earrings out of, along with 4 leather-like sheets. One does look like corkscrew, and you have all the pieces to make gold or silver earrings. So let's get started. For this first earring set, I'm going to be using the gold like leather. I'm going to cut out 2 of the medium length drops. I'm going to run them through my die cut and remove the inner piece where the earring is going to be attached to it. For this first pair, I'm going to add a little bit of a grungy look. So using some embossing ink, I'm going to just stamp it directly to the drop, and then I'm going to add some black Tailored Expressions embossing powder. Using some tweezers, we're going to emboss it, and you see how nice that Tailored Expressions embossing powder goes on the earrings. Then, to add a little more texture, I'm actually going to cut some pieces just to the end of the embossing. Once that's done, we're going to use some nose pliers, open the end of the earring piece, put in the leather, and then close it up again and repeat the process on the next one. For this second pair, we're going to be using the gray leather. We're going to begin by placing the large and the smallest teardrops. We're going to secure this with washi tape, as I like to run it twice through my die cutting machine. We're going to remove the inner part of the earring holder. We're going to open the loop up and add both pieces and then secure it. And now you've got a 2-layer earring. For our third earring set, we are going to be using the medium size die cut on that cork-like material. We're going to cut 2 of the medium length. Then with our smaller teardrop, we're going to put it right in the center and hold it with washi tape. We're going to run it through our die cutting machine and repeat the process. Now we have a hoop and a smaller earring. Once we repeated the process on the second pair, we are going to go ahead and assemble them. We're going to open up the loop from our gold earring using nose pliers, adding the open teardrop and then the smaller of the teardrops. For our fourth pair, we're going to be using the really shiny silver fabric along with the leaf-like pattern. We're going to cut 2 of those. Now we're going to be using one of the Tailored Expression stamps in Spring Florals, and we're going to actually stamp the leaves directly onto the silver fabric. To make sure that the ink will not rub off, we're going to be using our embossing tool and heat setting this. You're going to want to use some pliers as it gets really hot, and then allow to cool before you handle them again. For this set, we're going to be using the silver fish hooks. And last but not least, we're going to be using a pair of the dark gray, and we're going to be using gray embossing powder on this. Again, use a tool to hold them down and heat set. And this is just a really fun and super easy way to create lots and lots of earrings. I still had a ton of fabric left over in fish hooks, so I can continue on. This is a great way to make lots of Christmas presents, and I hope that you've enjoyed these quick tutorials using the Tailored Expressions earring kit. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.